Here there are some phrases that you can use when you want to ask permission from the patient in OET speaking roleplay. 1. I am going to check your vital signs such as blood pressure, pulse, temperature. Is that okay with you? 2. Before proceeding further, I would like to ask you some questions that will help to get a clear picture of your condition. Is that okay? 3. Is that okay if I ask you some questions about your lifestyle and eating habits? 4. Would you mind if I ask you some questions to get a better understanding of your condition? Next, how to relieve fear of patients in OET speaking roleplay. Here there are some phrases. 1. This clinic has excellent reputation as well as your health and safety are our most priority. 2. Don't worry, you are in safe hands. 3. I am a qualified nurse with a good nursing experience. Please don't worry at all. 4. Believe me, if there were another way I would have told you. 5. Please relax, we're here to help you.